You're now watching The Wash Daily. Today in news, the EU is looking at changing the rules on how it views cannabis for international treaties. Currently, any tincture made from cannabis is part of the prohibition and isn't allowed. So what they're looking to do is change how cannabis laws are written, where it says that a plant that has less than 0.3% THC is hemp and is not subject to the guidelines for the EU concerning narcotics. Now, it's ridiculous that the EU is demanding that cannabis be called a narcotic because it's a plant that grows in the earth, not a narcotic. There's no narcotic that grows in the earth. There's about 10 countries that sit in the EU, and they're going to be deciding what happens with cannabis and hemp and how, basically, it's really about industrial hemp. They're going to be deciding how industrial hemp is handled from the EU in regards to its status no longer being considered a drug, but as a piece of agriculture, as a farm product. Also in news, Phil Murphy was recently part of a New Jersey Can 2020 virtual meeting. What Phil Murphy is saying is, listen, we tried to do this legally to try to switch the cannabis law. We weren't able to do it. We need the voters in New Jersey to vote for cannabis and vote for legal cannabis. We need it for our state so badly. Please don't be dumb. Please be smart. The smart thing to do is legalize cannabis. And Phil Murphy's really taking this on. He's in the news almost every day regarding cannabis, and he's really fighting hard for legal cannabis for his state. Good job, Phil Murphy. Keep up the good work, buddy. Also in news, the Iraq and Afghanistan Veterans Association, or the IAVA, has now asked for the judicial case looking into cannabis. They're saying, hey, why is it that we have all this data showing how cannabis is helpful for people with PTSD and the veterans aren't able to use it? This is ridiculous. We need to make it a priority to help these veterans, and we're giving them the middle finger instead. So this follows a lawsuit recently by veterans and by scientists who are accusing the United States government of interfering with studying cannabis for medicinal properties, for its relevance and appropriateness as a treatment for things like PTSD, chronic pain, and a number of ailments. Thanks for watching The Wash Daily.